Let's talk about the final drive oil.
I understand only the word, final drive oil.
This is the oil used for the final drive of a scooter.
Why does the scooter need this oil?
There are different kinds of gears inside the final drive, and they rotate while meshing with each other.
Oil makes gears turn smoothly and protects them from being scratched and worn.
I understand oil plays an important role to protect gears.
Doctor, if I'm correct, oil gets too old to protect the gears as it's been used, which is the same thing as the old engine oil, right?
That's right. When the oil is used for a long time, the mechanism may become noisy, and in the worst case, it may stop working properly.
Really?
In order to avoid this situation, you need to replace the final drive oil regularly. That's a reason that you should not forget the periodic maintenance.